Welcome to 2260 Edge Ridge Court. This beautiful custom home was recently completed by Blue Heron and fabulously designed and ready for move-in. Let me give you a tour. Located behind the guard-gated community of Sky Terrace in the city of Henderson, this home is perfectly situated on a premier cul-de-sac lot with incredible views of the Las Vegas Strip and the entire valley below. This beautiful open floor plan offers a huge great room with a combined kitchen, formal dining, wine cellar, and living room. With pocket glass doors that disappear to enjoy the great outdoors. Beautiful views from the elevated lot of the swimming pool and the landscaping around. The home offers 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, and 3 balconies to take in the beautiful courtyard, the backyard, and fabulous views of the Las Vegas Strip. This home has fabulous designer finishes throughout, including custom light fixtures, a modern floor plan with an upstairs master bedroom and a downstairs master bedroom, beautiful tile flooring and tile accents throughout, hardwood floors, a 3-car garage, a maintenance-free landscaped backyard, and a fabulous courtyard with a beautiful fireplace. I hope you enjoyed this tour of this beautiful home. To enjoy all the modern finishes of a brand new custom home without any of the stress of building it yourself, call us today and preview this home.
See